What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Can you place digits 1 through 9 in the following squares such that every equation is true? Each digit can only be used once. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play and I'll give you the explanation. So with a puzzle like this, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different equations. I want to pick and choose the starting equation that I work with very carefully. And the way I'm going to select it is one where it has very few possible options. I'm going to start with this top equation right here. We've got a very big number here. We've got 55. And you notice that we have a product and then we have a sum. Now, looking at order of operations, we're going to carry out the multiplication first and then add something to that product to get 55. So to get numbers close to 55, we might have 8 times 7, but that's going to be too big, right? 7 times 6 would give us 42, but then to get to 55, we need something bigger than 10. One that would work really well, however, is 6 times 9. Now again, I don't know if the 6 goes here, or the 9 goes here or there, but 6 times 9 makes a lot of sense. And if indeed it is 6 times 9, which is 54, we know this last spot has to be 1. So starting off in this position, I'm now going to look at this equation, okay? And we see that right off the bat, we have division. Now notice every answer is a whole number. So that means I'm going to be dividing by something that's a factor of 6. So the only two factors of 6 are 2 and 3. So I know the spot is either 2 or 3. So if I do put a 2 here, it'd be 6 divided by 2, which is 3 plus 4 would give me 7. If I have a 3 here, 6 divided by 3 is 2 plus 5 would give me 7. Last but not least, I could have 6 divided by 1, but again, we've already used 1 here, so that's not an option. Now I'm going to come to this column. This one's really good because we got 9 plus a quotient of two numbers. Again, order of operation said we have to carry out the division before the addition. So 9 plus 4 gives me 13. So this quotient has to result in 4. The only ways that we could get a quotient of 4 would be 4 divided by 1, but again, 1 is out, so that's not possible. The other way would be 8 and 2. That's the only other way. So I can say that we can definitively lock in 8 and 2 there. Now, if 2 is here, that means 2 cannot be here, and that means 2 and 4 are ousted as options for these two squares, meaning it's got to be 3 and 5. Last but not least, we have to place the 4 and the 7. So now let's look at this bottom equation. What minus 5 plus 2 is going to give me 4? That's going to be 7, right? 7 minus 5 is 2, plus 2 is 4. That means that 4 has to go here, but let's check that. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 8 is indeed 15. Now going down, 1 times 4 is 4, plus 7 is indeed 11. That's how you do it. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining. I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.